NASA warns asteroid headed to Earth today. What is happening, guys? My name is Jared, and an asteroid is going to come and destroy everything and everyone you know. Okay, that was a little dramatic. But an asteroid is expected to just miss the Earth, which is pretty scary when you come to think about it. The asteroid donned the name 2004 BO41 is expected to pass us, but if it were to hit the Earth, the mile-wide rock would probably wipe out all of mankind. I know a mile is probably bigger than this, but just for the sake of the video, this is how big a mile is. Now when I say pass, you're probably thinking it'll be close enough to see out your back window. Nah fam, this thing is passing by about 7.3 million miles away. But in regards to space terms, that's like a hair away. So although 2004 BO41 isn't going to destroy our planet, another asteroid, 2016 QL44, might make a nice little dent. QL is much smaller than BO41, coming in at just 61 meters, but it's still big enough to make a difference. QL is expected to also miss the Earth on September 17th, but it'll miss at a rate of approximately 31,000 miles an hour. Not 31 miles an hour, 31,000. That's fast. Like almost as fast as Usain Bolt. All kidding aside, although this is also expected to miss us, there's a chance it actually may hit the Earth. And if it were to hit a major city, it would definitely cause a ton of damage. Thankfully, scientists have been keeping a very close eye on 2016 QL44 because it is on a highly uncertain orbit. So although some people have an idea of where the asteroid will pass by, they can't be absolutely 100% certain because it seems it's not staying consistent in its path. Now before you start building a shelter and stocking up on canned food, let me tell you that even if it did hit the world, it wouldn't necessarily mean Armageddon. In the past, asteroids have hit the Earth and caused a ton of damage. Most famously, science has proven that an asteroid was the cause of the Ice Age and dinosaur extinction, although some still don't completely buy it, but others have hit the Earth without killing anybody. Back in 1908, we're talking just over 100 years ago, something really weird happened in Serbia, more specifically the Tunguska River. The Tunguska event, which is what the 1908 occurrence is referred to, isn't as black and white as it may seem. Although there are claims that an asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere at an alarming rate, there actually isn't a crater anywhere. So some skeptics don't believe it was an asteroid, but rather the work of God. I'm gonna place my bets on the asteroid though. There was, however, some evidence to support the asteroid claims, considering how hundreds of reindeers were killed and thousands of trees were completely stripped of their bark and branches. As of today, it is still being reported that no humans were killed in the blast, but there were some witnesses, including a man who said he was thrown out of his chair while sitting on his front porch right after the blast itself. Scientists claim that the asteroid itself entered the atmosphere at such a fast rate with such a high temperature that it actually combusted and destroyed itself. Due to this explosion, the Earth was impacted with a large amount of energy, which is what caused the reindeer to die and the trees to be stripped. 37 years later, in 1945, trees were seen standing the same way they were discovered after Tunguska. This blast was the bombing of the Japanese city Hiroshima, which was responsible for killing hundreds of thousands during World War II. So in short, I wouldn't say these asteroids are anything to worry about as of right now, but it's definitely not possible for an asteroid to hit the Earth as history shows. Here's to hoping the good people at NASA can detect and change the course of an asteroid should it make its way towards Earth, if they were to find that discovery. For all your space news, my name is Jared. If you like this video, you gotta subscribe and give us a comment down below if you have anything to say. I'll see you guys in the next one.